हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू क्रिएटर प्लस। वी आर हियर टू डिस्कस टुडेज मार्केट परफॉर्मेंस। तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसा रहा आज के मार्केट का परफॉर्मेंस। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, निफ्टी 50 18,132.30 अंक पे आज की क्लोजिंग है। तो आज 18,132 को क्रॉस कर गया और नंबर में देखें तो 117.70 और परसेंटेज में 0.65%। और मार्केट की चाल कुछ इस तरह आप देख सकते हैं, जहाँ पौने 10 बजे के करीब ये कुछ इस लेवल पे गिरा था। मॉर्निंग में स्टार्ट तो हुआ ऊपर की तरफ ही, बट ये नीचे गिरा और फिर ये जो रिकवर किया ये फिर यहाँ पे आ गया और इस लेवल पे क्लोजिंग है। हाँ, बीच में ये थोड़ा करेक्शन हुआ है नीचे की तरफ, बट ये आज का डायरेक्शन बुलिश ही है मार्केट का। इफ वी लुक एट परफॉर्मेंस देन यू कैन सी ओपन एट 18,089.80 एंड प्रीवियस क्लोज एट 18,014.60 एंड लो इज 17,967.45 and today's high 18,149.25. If we look at gainers and losers group, then you can see in 50 35 in plus side total 40 and in minus side total 10, and in plus side 35 under 0 to 2% group and 3 under 2 to 5% group and 2 under 5 to 10% group. And if we look at decliner side, then you can see all 10 under -2 to 0% group. If we look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list Hindalco Industry at the first position with plus 6.33%, Tata Steel plus 5.86, JSW Steel plus 4.47, ONGC plus 2.48, Tata Motors 2.43, Asian Paint 1.85. And it's clearly we can see that in metal sector today's performance is very good in metal, in steel sector, and other you can see motor and ONGC oil. Then we can see that today's also market perform good. And if we look at all these was above 2% and 4%, 5%, 6%. And if we look at below 2%, then you can see Asian Paints 1.85, Wipro 1.60, L&T 1.58, Adani Enterprise 1.42, Davis Laboratory 1.41, Adani Port 1.38, Esser Motor 1.28, Bajaj Finance 1.10, or Bajaj Auto 1.09. All these 1 to 2% group above 1%, others below 1%, and all this as you can see on the screen. And in this list, Sun Pharmaceutical at the last position with a plus 0.01%. If we look at losers group, then you can see in the losers group Hindustan Unilever at the first position with minus 0.92%. It means that एक भी इसमें ऐसा नहीं है जो कि 1% से ज़्यादा की गिरावट वाले हो। ऑल बिलो 1%, एंड एट द लास्ट पोजिशन सिप्ला विद minus 0.06%. And if we look at technical chart of Nifty 50, then you can see in the technical chart of Nifty 50 is yesterday closing was here, and today's market direction was in a negative side. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 or 5 big red candle appeared, but suddenly it recover in upside, and as you can see finally it closed in plus side with 117.70 in number. And if we look at all the indicators and candles, cloud, everything clearly indicates that tomorrow also market will be in plus side. Actually market is currently bullish, and all the indicators also indicates that it will be in प्लस साइड, बट हम यहाँ पे ये श्योरली नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि कल भी ये प्लस में था, आज भी प्लस में था। हो सकता है कि माइनस में भी जा सकता है मार्केट, बट जो इंडिकेटर्स हैं वो यही इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं कि अभी ये ऊपर की तरफ ही है और ये ऊपर ही रहने की संभावना है. If you look at BSE Sensex, then you can see today's closing is at 60,927.43 in number plus 361.01 and in percentage 0.60%. And if we look at market direction, then you can see as it is as Nifty 5 he opens and here and suddenly goes below and then recovered in upside and whole day market was bullish. And if we look at performance, then you can see open at 60,861.41, previous close 61,566.42 and low is 60,405.66 and high 60,986.68. तो इसमें आज भी मॉर्निंग में ये जब गिरावट की तरफ गया उस टाइम लगा था कि कहीं ये मार्केट का डायरेक्शन चेंज तो नहीं हो गया, ये फिर से वापसी वही जो कोरोना के भय के चलते उस खबर जो आया था उसके चलते निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में तो नहीं चला जाएगा फिर से. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ और मार्केट ने फिर से वापसी किया है आज. एंड इफ यू लुक एट गेनर्स एंड लूजर्स ग्रुप, देन यू कैन सी इन 25 अंडर प्लस साइड, 5 अंडर माइनस साइड एंड प्लस साइड में से 25 में से 24 अंडर 0 to 2% ग्रुप एंड 1 अंडर 5 to 10% ग्रुप एंड इन माइनस साइड ऑल 5 अंडर -2 to 0% ग्रुप. If we look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list Tata Steel at the first position with plus 5.86%, L&T plus 1.72, Asian Paint 1.71, Wipro 1.59, Bajaj Finance 1.25, ICICI Bank 0.92. Then you can see here also steel at the first position. It indicates that today's steel sector is bullish more than other sector. Yeah. And others below 1% in plus side, and in this list HDFC at the last position with plus 0.06%. If we look at losers list, then you can see in losers list there are only 5 and Hindustan Unilever at the first position with -1% and others below 1%, and that is Nestle India -0.51, ITC 0.45, Mahindra and Mahindra 0.33 and NTPC 0.30%. And if we look at technical chart of BSE Sensex, then you can see in the technical chart it looks like as Nifty 50. You can see here it it doesn't look like as Nifty 50 here. Actually मॉर्निंग में ये चीज़ मैंने नोटिस किया था कि जहाँ ये 500 अंक ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा था और निफ्टी 50 500 अंक नीचे की तरफ जा रहा था, उस टाइम थोड़ा सोचने पे मजबूर हो गया था कि ये क्या है, ये एक तो नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है इतना और एक ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. हाँ, निफ्टी 50 वो 500 अंक में कहने का मतलब कि वो 500 अंक बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है निफ्टी 50 में, तो वो 100 या 200 ऐसे, बट वही था कि लेवल वही था, जितना इधर ये प्लस में था उतना वो माइनस में था. बट सडनली एज यू कैन सी क्या यहाँ से फिर ये निफ्टी 50 की तरह ही यहाँ पे गिरावट है, आप देख सकते हैं. और फिर ये मार्केट का डायरेक्शन जो है बिल्कुल ही ऊपर की तरफ, ये यहाँ पे क्लाउड के नीचे गया था यहाँ पे, बट फिर से ये करेक्शन करके और ऊपर ही चला गया. और सभी इंडिकेटर्स लेग इन स्पैन, ब्लू लाइन, रेड लाइन, all indicates that market in a bullish and in bullish direction, and tomorrow also will be in a bullish direction. तो ये है BSE सेंसेक्स का आज का परफॉर्मेंस. अगर हम अदर मार्केट देखें, देन indexes NSE and changes, then you can see Nifty Metal plus 4.23%, जहाँ कल देखा था हमने कि 7% से ज़्यादा की बढ़त था PSU बैंक में. टूडेज निफ्टी मेटल इज लीडर इन ऑल इंडेक्सेस, and Nifty mid cap is 2.03, Nifty mid cap 250 actually, and PSU bank again today is in a plus side at the third position with plus 1.29%, then realty 1.25, small cap 250 1.23, India manufacturing 1.20, Nifty media 1.19, and small cap 100 1.19, India digital 1.16, mid cap select 1.07, and next 50 is 1.02. All these above 1% and 1% and 2% group, and one above 2% and one above 4%, and others below 1%. As you can see, other sector in this group, other we can see mid cap 100, mid cap 50, mid cap 150, IT, auto, total market, Nifty 500, 200, 100, others, and private banks, financial services, pharma, all these in a plus side, and only two. Again, today's FMCG under minus side with minus 0.41, and India VIX minus 4.02%. And if we look at BSE indexes, then you can see in BSE again metal at the first position, is same as Nifty 50 with a 4.59 here. If we look at in NSE, it was 4.23, and in BSE 4.59, and then basic material 2.34, telecom 1.54, small cap 1.46, capital goods 1.40, realty 1.38, industrial 1.38, utilities 1.25, and small cap 250 1.17, and power sector 1.5%, and oil and gas 1.07, small cap select 1.02, and mid small cap 400 1%. All this above 1% and 1% group, and is we seen that one with a 2.34 and one with 4.59%, and others below 1%. And all these sectors mentioned here is consumer discretionary and goods and services, mid cap 150, IT, Sensex next 50, all cap, auto 500, mid cap tech, all these under plus side below 1%, and only one under minus side, FMCG, that is with minus 0.022%. And if we discuss one from NSE, then we can see Nifty metal. Actually, this is at the first position with 4.23% in both above 4% in BSE and NSE both. And you can see the direction of Nifty metal always bullish, whole day bullish direction. And if we look at performance, then you can see open at 6422.45, previous close 6364.60, low 6411.65, and high 6644.30. And then you can see clearly that today's opening is in a plus side, and then we can see in a gainers and losers list 15 may say 13 under plus side and 2 under minus side, and in advancer in 13 2 under 0 to 2% group, 6 under 2 to 5%, and 5 under 5 to 10% group. मतलब 5 ऐसे हैं जो कि 5 से 10% के ग्रुप में प्लस साइड में, एंड इन माइनस साइड 2, and that is under minus 2 to 0% group. If we look at stock wise, then you can see Jindal Steel at the first position with 9.01%, 9% से ज़्यादा की बढ़त है जिंदल स्टील में. देन नेशनल एल्युमिनियम कंपनी 6.48, हिंडाल्को 6.33, टाटा स्टील 5.86, स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया 5.41, ये भी 5.5% के करीब उछला है. हिंदुस्तान कॉपर 4.50, JSW स्टील 4.47, वेस्टर्न कॉरपोरेशन 3.99, वेदांता 3.90, मोइल 2.41, हिंदुस्तान जिंक 2.40. All these above 2% and above 3%, 4%, 5, 6 5, 6 and 9%. And others we can see only one, Adani Enterprise 1.42, and Jindal Stainless is plus 0.78% in plus side, all this. And if we look at losers list, then you can see only two, APL Apollo Tubes at the first position with minus 0.51, and Ratnamani Metals and Tubes 0.15%, and both below 1%. And this is Nifty Metals today's performance. If we discuss one from BSC list, then we will discuss, actually we have already discussed metal in NSC, and in BSC we are going to discuss basic material. This is with plus 2.34% today's gain, and you can see direction of the market. Same all market shows that at this time every goes in low side in negative direction, then goes upside. And if we look at performance, then you can see open at 5501 3.93, and previous close is 5472.78, low is 5499.99, and high 5608.23. If we look at gainers and losers group, then you can see total 187 and 167 in plus side and 20 under minus side. And in plus side, 0 to 2% 81, 2 to 5% 66, 5 to 10% 15, and 10 to 15% 5, and all decliners 20 decliner under minus 2 to 0% group. If we look at stock wise, then you can see gainers list, Ashapura Mine Chem is at the first position with 12.19%, and then Mukand 11.31, Kiosiel is 11.10, Sarda Energy and Minerals 10.33, Kirloskar Forex IND 10.01, GOCL Corp 9.38, Jindal Steel 9.21, Jeb Balaji Industry 8.06, Stylam Industry 7.11, Kalyani Steel 7%, and Tata Metallics 6.96. All this you can see that very good and excellent performance in this sector basic material. You can see from 12%, and here you can see 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, above 6%, above 5%, 4%, and then we can see that this is excellent performance. And there are more, and all these above 2 to 3% group, and then 1 to 2% group, and then 1 to 2% again, and others below 1%. You can see the list, and all this in a plus side. And Sahyadri Industry at the last position with plus 0.03%. If we look at losers list, then you can see in losers list Prism Johnson's at the first position with minus 1.57, Nuvoco Vistas Corp 1.42, Sagar Cements 1.31, all this in minus side, and only 5 under 1 to 2% group. Ultramarine and Pilgants 1.23, Himadri Specialty Chemicals 1.16, and other below 1%, as you can see in the list. And Sadhana Nitrochem at the last position with 0.09%. This is today's BSC basic materials performance. If we look at top gainers and losers in mover, all and changes, then you can see Jindal Photo at the first position with 20% gain, and then Sandesh 20%, HEC Infra Project 90.93, HEC Infra Project 19.93, then Quantum Electronics 19.19, Raj TV Network 16.88, Penny Sugar 16.07. All this you can see that in a gainers list, top gainers, and at the last KIOCL 10.38%. And if we look at losers list and all and changes, then you can see Philatex India minus 45.30%, Zakharia Fabric 18%, Saberflex India 10.16%. all these maximum losers, and you can see others list. And at the last position, Aurangabad Distillery minus 4.88%. This is the top gainers and top losers list in all movers. तो ये है आज के मार्केट का परफॉर्मेंस। तो आशा है दोस्तों यह वीडियो आपके लिए इन्फॉर्मेटिव होगा और आपको पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक जरूर करना, अपना सुझाव कमेंट बॉक्स में देना ना भूलें। वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।